Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lover. Today I will be making a very simple soup preparation from Indian cuisine. The name of the dish is Tomatodhaniya Shorba. The history about the soup is there was no soup in India at the beginning, but later on, after the influence of British, while the British they ruled in India for a longer time, they used to eat different kind of soups, and from there the Indian they have adapted those different soups, and they have prepared this delicious tomato dhania shorba, which is very appetizing, nice and soothing in taste, little a balance of sour, sweet and little spicy. So let us start making the tomato dhania shorba. I require some tomato roughly cut. So just roughly cut the tomato, and it is always better you choose a ripe red in color the tomatoes. So chop some onion. I some require some roughly cut green chilies. जब वेजिटेबल सब काट लिए तो अभी थोड़ा सा इसमें ऑयल लेंगे. Now oil you must add very little in quantity because the soup should not be oily. Let the oil become hot. So once the oil is hot, I will temper the oil with some cumin seed, red chili, I will add the onion. Just give a stir. Just cook it for 1 minute. Then some coriander powder, small quantity of cumin powder, some red chili powder, some Kashmiri red chili powder. Just give a good mix. Then some green chili and all the tomatoes. Then I will add some peppercorn in it. Give a good mix. I will give some coriander, some salt. You will mix it nicely. After giving a good mix, we need to add enough amount of water. Now water you will add to prepare the soup as well as the tomato need to be nicely soft. So I have cooked the tomatoes for almost 2 to 3 minutes by covering the pan, and the tomatoes has become nice soft in texture. So at this stage I will add a small quantity of sugar in it. So give a good mix, let the sugar melt. Remember, this should not be very sweet in taste. It should be a balanced of little sweet, sour and spicy. So that is why, because tomato is the main ingredient here and tomato is always sour in taste. So we need to add a small quantity of sugar to develop a proper taste as well as which balance the dish. So almost it is ready now, and what we have to do now, I will make a puree of it and we will strain it. So I have kept all this tomato mixture in a bowl and we will now blend it. So with this blender, I just blend the soup nicely. So I have blended the tomato mixture. Now I will finish the tomato dhania shorba. So for that, again I will take very small quantity of oil. So once the oil is hot, I just temper the oil with some cumin seed, and we will pour this strained soup. Just give a good stir. At this stage, I will add some coriander. So our tomato dhaniya shorba is now ready to serve. I just give some chopped fresh coriander leaves on the top, one sprig of coriander leaves. So the delicious tomato dhaniya shorba is for you to serve. Please prepare at your home and write in my comment box how you have enjoyed the dish. Thank you. Happy cooking.